Hello, good evening everyone. Hope you've had a great day. It's Kirsty here from Kirsty Wales Massage Therapies, and I just thought I'd come on and show you what the end of my day looks like today. I treated a client this afternoon over in their house in Hayward Heath, and this is what we are going through. I do this between every client, but I thought I'd just show you this evening. So, table's here. It's been out in the garden. Luckily it's a really nice day. It's been in the garden now for about an hour and a half since I came back. You will have heard that I've said to you about ventilation is really important for your massage sessions. So I treated this client in their garden, which was great. Table's been here about an hour and a half, so it's aerating, which is supposed to be good for reducing contact. This bag contains the table cover that I had on this afternoon for one client. It was clean when it went on. It went straight in the bag after the treatment, and it will go in the wash tonight. It's also got the towel in there that I used, which is a microfiber towel, so that's really easy to clean. This bag was bagged up at the end of the session as well, and this has got the sweatbands that I wear, because I've learnt that if you sanitise your hands, put your gloves on, put a sweatband over the top, it holds the ends of the glove in place and stops them riding up. So a little tip there if you're using gloves, and it's also quite good if you do get a little bit warm, you can mop your brow. So that's got my sweatbands, it's got my headband in there, and it's also got a cloth mask that I used while I was at their house, from the car to the house, after we'd finished the treatment, and back out to the car again. So that's another bag of washing. You'll love this one. Trainers that I had on today, used them this afternoon, they get treated. There's lots of different sprays and things that you can use. I like this one, and they get sprayed. Sprayed all over, sprayed inside. Oh, my dad's going to really tell me off because I haven't undone my laces. Oops, sorry Dad. Spray the trainers, and inside, freshens them up too. And they will be left outside now to dry. Luckily it's not raining, so I shall leave them out as long as I can. And they won't be used tomorrow. I will use another pair tomorrow, so they get a day off. So that's my spray and my trainers. The clothing that I had on when I was treating my client, that's already bagged up, ready to go in the wash. As soon as I came home, I actually sprayed it with some of that spray that I've just used on my trainers, and I stuck it in a bag. So that will go in the wash as well. Table, at the moment I'm using a lot of this in a bucket of water, warm water, clean cloth. I won't do all of it, but just gives you an idea, and I'll finish it off afterwards. But it then gets wiped down, and I've made that solution quite strong, so it's probably a lot stronger than the recommended rate. And they go in the holes, and even down to all the legs get wiped down, the tensioners, everything, and the whole table gets done. That cloth, when I finish the other half of the table, that will go in the wash as well. I've got a sprayable solution of that particular disinfectant. There's lots of types available, and it's got bleach in it as well. This one, once it's dried, will then get a second coating all down the legs, and it gets in all the nooks and crannies, all over my feet, and that's that. So that'll now be left out in the garden to dry, ventilate, and that reduces any contact that COVID that may be on there through contact. The car's been aerated, the car has been cleaned and sanitised, because obviously I travel around, I'm a mobile therapist, so that's been done. That's what I do with the table. All my kit is in the wash, so I'm doing everything that I can to keep you safe during your treatments. And I go through that with every client. Clients are still being so helpful. They're using their own towels as much as possible, their own blankets, sheets, pillows, whatever. So that's less that I have to transport, less opportunity for me to be, what's the word, infecting anywhere. So yeah, it's all going well. We're doing everything we can, we're doing everything right, following all the industry guidelines. You're still getting your massages, and I still get to keep you in tip-top condition and help get you out of pain. So if you've got any queries about any of this, and you think, oh, what are you doing about XYZ, let me know, okay? Otherwise, I will speak to you soon. Have a lovely evening. I've got to go. I've got a spin class soon, so I'm off to get fit. Okay, have a great evening. Speak to you soon. Bye.